What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video we will be unboxing something right here. Let's go ahead and open it up. That's kind of interesting. And then you get a little thank you card. Gang, collect them all. Very cool. You can pause the video if you want to read it. That's interesting, huh? What do we got here? Charger, battery. It also comes with this, whatever this is. And then, oh, here it is. Ta-da! Wow. So I'm gonna go play around with this and I will let you guys know how this thing goes. But let's take a look around. So it looks like on the top you have dials, you have your little hot shoe mount, you have video and photo. You got a nice dial here. Also have pretty much anything that you would see on a Canon. Has a nice screen, flip it around. It's nice and light, it's not super heavy. Obviously the no shutter because it's a video first camera. Then you got your mounting point right there and also the mounting point on the side. CFast Express Type B slot and then an SD slot as well. Very nice. It's built-in fan, full HDMI support, and you got your mic and your audio if you want. Then you got a record button on the front, which is nice. Scroll wheel up on top. And then on the back, you can program whatever you want your settings as. This is your on and off right here. Obviously there's no battery in it. But yeah guys, I just wanted to do this quick unboxing video. I'm going to play around with this. Let me know if you want to see anything about this thing in the comment section down below. Just hit me up down there, and yeah, but I'm gonna peace out for now. Thanks for watching. It's been real. Keep it real. You know what it is. Deuces.